Behold, a creature with no brain, no bones, and no heart, yet it survived for 500 million years. While we evolved complexity, these gelatinous wonders perfected the art of simply being. They are the planet's original minimalist survivalists, a living paradox. Drifting, eating, and occasionally ruining a beach day, they endure without a single thought. Today we dive into the world of jellyfish, creatures that turn our ideas about intelligence and survival upside down. Welcome to WildSignal. Like and subscribe. Let's explore. Most people assume that to survive in the wild, you need a brain. After all, brains are the command centers of most animals, controlling everything from movement to memory. But jellyfish are living proof that this isn't always the case. These ethereal creatures have been gliding through the oceans for hundreds of millions of years, thriving without a brain or even a central nervous system. Their movement is a mesmerizing, rhythmic dance, no conscious thought, just the automatic pulsing of muscle contractions. Each gentle squeeze of their bell propels them forward, a simple yet effective way to navigate the vastness of the sea. With every pulse, they not only move but also create currents that draw food directly to their mouths. It's multitasking at its purest, a seamless blend of locomotion and feeding that requires no planning or awareness. Instead of a brain, jellyfish rely on a diffuse nerve net, a web of interconnected sensors spread throughout their bodies. This network detects changes in light, vibrations, and chemicals in the water, allowing them to respond instantly to their environment. If a tiny creature brushes against a tentacle, the response is immediate and automatic. The tentacle ensnares the prey and delivers a paralyzing sting. There's no hesitation, no decision-making, just pure instinct in action. Jellyfish don't experience emotions like fear, joy, or curiosity. They simply exist, floating through the water, unburdened by the complexities of thought or feeling. Their lives are free from anxiety, ambition, or regret. Their hunting style is passive yet effective, drifting with their venomous tentacles extended, waiting for unsuspecting prey to wander into their grasp. They don't chase or stalk. They simply let the ocean bring food to them. This strategy has worked for over 500 million years, making jellyfish some of the oldest and most enduring animals on Earth. They have survived mass extinctions, climate shifts, and the rise and fall of countless other species. Without a brain, jellyfish save precious energy and avoid having a single point of failure. If one part of their body is damaged, the rest can often keep functioning. A torn bell or injured tentacle doesn't spell doom. They simply adapt and continue drifting. In many ways, jellyfish are living fossils, ancient survivors who have outlasted more complex creatures by embracing simplicity. They thrive not by outthinking their environment, but by outfloating it, letting the currents carry them through time. Their purpose is straightforward: survive, reproduce, and ensure the next generation drifts on. During spawning, they release thousands of eggs or larvae into the water, trusting the ocean to carry their legacy forward. In a world obsessed with productivity, achievement, and constant motion, jellyfish offer a different perspective. Sometimes simply drifting with the flow is enough. They remind us that survival doesn't always require complexity or control. Jellyfish are models of efficiency and resilience, adapting to obstacles and changes in their environment with quiet persistence. Their success is measured not in intelligence, but in endurance and adaptability. Maybe in their elegant simplicity, there's a lesson for us all. Sometimes letting go and trusting the current is the wisest move of all. Jellyfish may look delicate, but their tentacles are deadly weapons. Each tentacle is armed with millions of stinging cells, conidocytes, each containing a harpoon-like nematocyst. A brush triggers a lightning-fast sting, injecting venom that paralyzes prey or leaves humans with a painful rash. Even detached tentacles remain dangerous, a floating minefield in the water. Some jellyfish, like the box jellyfish, have venom potent enough to stop a human heart. Once prey is immobilized, tentacles draw it to the mouth for digestion. Stings aren't just for hunting, they're the jellyfish's only defense. Most predators avoid them, but some, like sea turtles, are immune and feast on jellyfish. The nematocyst's design is so efficient it's inspired medical technology. Their weaponry is a marvel of evolution, deadly, efficient, and a reminder that looks can deceive. Next time you see those trailing tentacles, remember, they're not just beautiful, they're loaded. Jellyfish command respect in the ocean, not through speed or strength, but through ingenious defense. In the sea, even the softest creatures can be the most formidable. In the deep ocean's darkness, jellyfish light up the abyss with bioluminescence. These mesmerizing creatures transform the pitch-black waters into a glowing spectacle, creating an otherworldly ambience that captivates anyone lucky enough to witness it. This glow isn't just for show. It's survival, attracting mates, luring prey, or startling predators. Each flash and shimmer serves a purpose, whether it's to find a partner in the vast ocean or to confuse and deter potential threats. The Atolla jellyfish flashes blue when threatened, calling bigger predators to scare off attackers. This clever tactic, known as a burglar alarm display, turns the tables on would-be predators, making them the target instead. Others dangle glowing tentacle tips to bait prey into their stinging embrace. These luminous lures are irresistible to smaller creatures, drawing them in closer until it's too late to escape. The chemistry is simple. Luciferin and luciferase react with oxygen, producing cold, energy-efficient light. This biochemical reaction is incredibly efficient, allowing jellyfish to produce light without generating heat, which is crucial for survival in the deep sea. Some jellyfish use light for camouflage, matching the faint glow from above to disappear from predators below. This technique, known as counter-illumination, helps them blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to both prey and predators. Patterns and colors vary: steady glows, flashes, and shimmering waves in blues and greens. Each species has its own unique light show, creating a diverse and dynamic underwater lightscape that is constantly changing. Their nerve net controls the light, flashing only when needed to save energy. This sophisticated system ensures that bioluminescence is used efficiently, conserving precious energy in the resource-scarce deep sea. Humans have harnessed jellyfish glow. GFP from the crystal jelly revolutionized biology, letting us watch cells in action. This groundbreaking discovery has opened up new frontiers in medical research, allowing scientists to track cellular processes in real time. Every deep-sea dive reveals new dazzling species, living fireworks in the dark. These discoveries continue to amaze and inspire, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability of life in the ocean's depths. The deep isn't empty, it's a festival of light with jellyfish as the stars. Their bioluminescence creates a vibrant, ever-changing display that brings the dark ocean to life. Their glow is a beacon of life's ingenuity in the harshest places. In the cold, dark depths of the ocean, these glowing creatures remind us of the resilience and creativity of life. Even in darkness, jellyfish remind us there's always beauty and innovation. Their bioluminescence is a testament to the wonders of nature, illuminating the mysteries of the deep sea and inspiring awe in all who behold it. Most creatures age and die, but the immortal jellyfish rewrites the rules. When threatened or old, it reverts from adult to polyp, starting its life cycle anew. This process, called transdifferentiation, is like a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar. Theoretically, it can repeat this cycle indefinitely, never dying of old age. It's not invincible. Predators and disease can still end its life, but aging won't. Scientists are fascinated. If we unlock this secret, we could revolutionize regenerative medicine. Imagine healing damaged hearts or brains by resetting our own cells. The immortal jellyfish spreads worldwide, hitching rides in ship ballast water. Its reset comes with risks. Polyps are vulnerable, but the strategy works. The discovery was accidental, but it's changed how we think about aging. While we chase immortality, this tiny jellyfish quietly achieves it through biology, not magic. It's a humbling reminder. Nature's solutions are often stranger than fiction. Sometimes survival means starting over again and again. Our relationship with jellyfish is complicated. Part nuisance, part inspiration. These ancient creatures have been drifting through the oceans for over 500 million years, long before humans ever set foot on land. Their presence is both mesmerizing and at times deeply frustrating for us. Their stings ruin beach days and can shut down power plants or devastate fish farms. For coastal communities, a sudden jellyfish invasion can mean closed beaches, lost tourism revenue, and even threats to local economies. In some places, entire fishing seasons have been disrupted by massive jellyfish blooms, leaving nets empty and livelihoods at risk. Blooms are increasing, fueled by overfishing and pollution. Sometimes we're rolling out the red carpet for them. When we remove their natural predators and competitors or fill the seas with nutrients from runoff, we create the perfect conditions for jellyfish to thrive. These swarms can stretch for miles, turning once clear waters into a pulsing, gelatinous mass. Yet jellyfish have given us gifts. GFP, the glowing protein from the crystal jelly, revolutionized science, letting us see inside living cells. This discovery has illuminated countless mysteries in biology and medicine, earning a Nobel Prize and opening new frontiers in genetic research. Their collagen is being explored for medical uses, from wound healing to tissue engineering, and in some cultures, jellyfish are a delicacy, prized for their unique texture and subtle flavor. In kitchens from China to Italy, chefs experiment with jellyfish, turning them into salads, appetizers, and even desserts. We fight them on beaches but celebrate their breakthroughs in labs and kitchens. This paradox is at the heart of our relationship. We struggle to control their numbers, yet we're fascinated by their biology and eager to unlock their secrets. They're both problem and solution, pest and resource. Their stings can be excruciating, but their biology is a treasure trove for scientists. In some ways, jellyfish are a mirror, reflecting both the challenges we face and the opportunities we can seize. Jellyfish reflect our impact on the oceans. Their success is a symptom, not the cause. As we alter marine ecosystems, jellyfish often fill the gaps we leave behind. Their ability to adapt and thrive in disturbed environments is a warning sign, a living indicator of the changes we're making to the planet. Studying them reveals secrets about aging, regeneration, and survival. Some jellyfish can even reverse their life cycle, essentially becoming young again, a biological trick that has fascinated researchers searching for clues to longevity and healing. They remind us that even the simplest life forms can hold immense value. Their graceful movements and alien beauty inspire artists, while their resilience and adaptability challenge scientists to think differently about life itself. Our story with jellyfish is one of conflict, discovery, and growing respect. As we learn more, we begin to see them not just as obstacles, but as partners in understanding the ocean's mysteries. They're not our enemy, just highly successful survivors in a changing world. Their journey is intertwined with ours, shaped by the choices we make and the environments we create. As we learn from them, we're forced to rethink what it means to thrive. Jellyfish teach us about resilience, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of all life in the sea. The jellyfish story is far from over. As we continue to explore and understand these remarkable creatures, we may find that the answers to some of our biggest questions about life, survival, and the future of our oceans are drifting quietly in their wake. As we finish our journey, jellyfish leave us in awe. They challenge our ideas of intelligence and success. No plans, no ambitions, just survival. Outliving dinosaurs and surviving mass extinctions, they're the ultimate survivors. Maybe true genius is finding perfect balance, not building or thinking. In their beautiful simplicity, jellyfish may have it all figured out. Perhaps in the end, they're the real geniuses of the ocean.